If you're like most hunters, you probably have a couple favorite tree stands. So why not make getting in and out of them as easy and quiet as possible? With the HSS Quick Connect tree strap, it's designed to be left through the duration of most states' deer seasons. Simply install the Quick Connect strap at the proper height the first time you hunt and leave it right there in the tree. Now the next time you hunt that stand, you'll be all set and you can quickly strap into that heavy-duty locking carabiner and you're ready to hunt. This is a great way to add a little extra stealth to your favorite stands, all the while keeping you safe. I'm Melissa Bachman. Stay safe and happy hunting.
Life. What's yours worth?
What does your life mean to you?
Your spouse, your kids, your parents.
What would they do if it all came crashing down and you weren't around?
Where would they go? What would they do?
How would they remember you?
Some people think about these questions every once in a while.
Some people think about these questions every day.